Hello and welcome to the HighBloodPressure.com YouTube channel. High blood pressure or hypertension is an insidious problem in the United States. It's been referred to as the silent killer because it often goes undetected and causes major health problems. It's truly an epidemic affecting a large segment of the population, some of whom are not even aware that they have the condition. In this video, we'll look at some of the most alarming facts about high blood pressure and hopefully shedding light on what a serious problem it is. Fact number 1, high blood pressure is a killer. In 2013, according to statistics from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, around 360,000 people died due to high blood pressure, either as a primary or contributing cause. That translates to almost 1,000 deaths per day. The following year, 410,000 people's deaths were related to high blood pressure. Fact number 2, around 32% of adults in America, which is about 75 million people, suffer from high blood pressure. That means that every 1 in 3 adults you know is experiencing the problem. Fact number 3, shockingly, around 1 in 5 people afflicted with high blood pressure aren't even aware that they have it. Fact number 4, you may be wondering how people can go about their lives without realizing they have high blood pressure. The answer is that it often doesn't come with any warning signs or symptoms. This reinforces how important it is to get screened. There is, after all, a good reason every doctor's appointment begins with a blood pressure test. Fact number 5, about 1 in every 3 American adults has pre-hypertension, which indicates a slightly above average blood pressure, but it doesn't quite qualify as high blood pressure. A blood pressure of 120/80 was formerly considered normal, but with recent guideline changes, the American College of Cardiology, along with the American Heart Association, have reclassified this number as the starting point of pre-hypertension. Fact number 6, high blood pressure opens the door to a lot of health issues. Heart disease and stroke, 2 leading causes of death in the United States, can be closely tied to high blood pressure. For example, 7 out of 10 people who have had a heart attack for the first time also had high blood pressure. And 8 out of 10 people who experience a stroke for the first time also have high blood pressure. And high blood pressure is also linked with kidney disease and even dementia. Fact number 7, although high blood pressure is often associated with older people, it can affect younger people as well. According to the Center for Disease Control, younger adults aged 35 to 44 are increasingly affected by high blood pressure, with 1 in 4 men and 1 in 5 women experiencing the problem. And an increasing number of youth who suffer from obesity often experience high blood pressure, which again leads to other serious diseases. Fact number 8, women who want to become pregnant should pay special attention to their blood pressure, as it can have adverse effects on a developing fetus. For example, women with high blood pressure could have a child born at a lower than healthy weight or be born prematurely. Also keep in mind that certain birth control medications can raise a woman's blood pressure. Fact number 9, high blood pressure puts a drain on the economy, costing the country about $48.6 billion per year in medications and healthcare services, in addition to lost working days. Fact number 10, high blood pressure is more common among certain ethnic groups and areas of the country. For example, African American men and women have higher rate of disease than other ethnic groups. It's also more common in the southern United States, with almost 10% more people relative to other areas of the country reporting high blood pressure. Fact number 11, fortunately, since 1999, awareness of the condition has grown, and more people, especially seniors, have gotten treatment for their high blood pressure. Case in point, in 2009, more than 55 million doctor's appointments involved people consulting about their high blood pressure condition, and about 7 out of every 10 Americans with the disease use medications to treat their issue. However, only 54% of people with high blood pressure can be said to have their condition under control due to lack of knowledge or not taking proactive steps. Fact number 12. Luckily, high blood pressure can be prevented and managed. Obesity, high cholesterol, and diabetes put a person at higher risk of developing the condition. That's why exercise and a healthy diet are very important, both as preventative and management measures. Smoking can exacerbate the condition, and sodium intake should be dramatically reduced. It's recommended that people with hypertension eat less than 1 teaspoon of salt per day. Obviously, taking medications prescribed by a physician is also extremely important to getting your high blood pressure under control. Some of these facts might have surprised you, and some may not have. The important takeaway from these facts is that you need to monitor your blood pressure from time to time. And if your blood pressure starts to exceed 120/80, it's time to go and see a doctor. If you suffer from high blood pressure, please subscribe to this channel so that you can receive a notification of our videos the moment they are released.